To place a donor mare into the flush log panel, basically all you've got to do is to have a flush log pending or registered results for that donor. So let me try to put a couple of records here. So I'm going to pretend here for a moment that I am an embryo transfer facility and I'm receiving a phone call from a customer who wants us to, it's a new customer and a new mare, and he wants us to reserve a recipient for him in 7 days from today. If you look here, 7 days from today, I just have one mare. So I'm going to go to the customer management. I'm going to create a new customer because I know that this doesn't have, of course, idea would be for you to do a quick search first, but I'm going to enter the customer first. So you don't have to wait for me to fill this up. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Okay, I have just put some information here. Of course, this is fake, and I'm going to save the customer. As soon as I click the save the customer, WO6 is going to take a while, and it's going to open that new customer in a new tab. Next step I'm going to do is to add that donor mare for the customer. And again, I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to wait on me. All right, I have filled up the information. Remember, important for the flush log quick data entry to work, it's to have the mare set as a donor mare. I'm going to save this. So likewise, the program is going to open the new mare on a new tab. I'm going to jump straight to her flush log. I don't need to go to the summary card. And here I'm going to do a quick data entry for her because they're breeding her today. They bred her yesterday, and ovulation was confirmed today, and they want us to reserve a recipient mare for 7 days from today. I'm going to just end the word love, which picked right away. Just using fictitious places here. So I'm going to say that she was bred on 11/7, 11/8, and the flush, I'm sorry, today's 15. Actually, she was bred yesterday. Today in my recording here is 11/15, so she OV'd today, and she will be flushed on the 21st. No, actually, yeah, 22nd. All right, and she's going to be a ship-in. These different things here change colors in the flush log panel. It helps to identify. I can use the size, and she just have one ovulation, so we just need one recipient mare. That's where the count for the number of recipient mares take place in the flush log panel. As soon as I save this, ownership changes. If I want to change the ownership for the embryo, and would you like to register the result now? No, because it's in the future. I'm going to say no. And if I refresh this, there she is. I'm going to go back to the flush log panel, and then on 20 seconds, as soon as I refresh the flush log panel, sure enough, she is there. And as you can see, the color is in yellow, the background, because she is a shipping mare. The wise notion, because she is a resident mare, it is in a regular color. So this is how the donor mares take place, and you just keep adding. It can be either your own mares, your own donor mares, or outside donor mares. That's the whole idea. It's that the program can prevent. So a week from now, I have already 2 flushes waiting there, so I can see my demand and prepare my recipient mare somewhere around here and here. So I have a good herd of recipient mares planned for what's coming ahead. This is the initial step for donor mares in flush log panel in WO6 option. Thanks for watching.